In today's video, I'll show you how to speed up Windows 11 laptop or PC's performance in 6 effective ways. So I've got a notepad over here with all the steps. At first, we have to run a disk cleanup. For that, just go to your search and search for disk cleanup. And in the best matches, you'll find disk cleanup. Just open this up. Then just select your system drive from here and click on OK. After that, you'll get a list. Just select everything from here and click on Cleanup System Files. And after that, you'll need to select your system drive again and click on OK. And after that, let it calculate all the resources and junk files in your system. Then just select everything from here as well and click on OK. Click on Delete Files. Just give it some time. It's gonna optimize all the files for you and delete all the junk files and unnecessary files in the system. Just give it a few minutes. And after that has been successfully done, you can just move to the step 2. So just open up the notepad again. And the next step is Enable Storage Sense. For this, just go to your search again and search for Settings. From the best matches, just open up Settings. Expand this. From the left-hand menu, just go inside System. Scroll down a bit, you'll find Storage, Storage Space, Drives, Configuration Rules. Just expand this section. Give it permission. And after that, let it calculate all the space in your drive and just give it some time. But we need to focus on one thing. Under Storage Management, there's a thing called Storage Sense, which automatically frees up space, deletes temporary files, and manages local available cloud content. Just turn this on. Make sure it's turned on. And after that, just go a step back and go to Cleanup Recommendations, Storage Optimized, no action required. Go inside this. And if you see some recommended options over here, just do those. And after that, your storages will be properly optimized. Then just close this out. Then go ahead and go to step 3, which is Disable Startup Apps. For this, just right-click on your taskbar and go to Task Manager. Expand this, go to the Open Navigation bar. From here, just go inside Startup Apps. And from here, all the status which are set to enabled are the apps that start on your startup. If you don't want them to start on your startup and make your Windows faster, what you have to do is just right-click on them and click on Disable. And disable all the apps that you don't need on startup like this. This will decrease your boot time a lot and make your PC faster. Then just close this. Then just go to the next step, which is Disable Gaming Mode. For this, just go to Search and search for Gaming Mode. And from the best matches, you'll find Gaming Mode Settings. Just open this up. From here, just simply turn this off. If you do not play games on your Windows, you might as well turn this off. But if you do play games, make sure to keep it on. Then just close this out. Then for the next step, we have Disable Transparency Effect. So just go to your search again and search for Transparency Effects. And from the best matches, you'll find Transparency Effects. Just open this up. And from here, make sure you have this on disabled. This is going to make sure your appearance looks non-transparent. This is going to increase the performance as well. Then just close this out. And for the very last step, we have View Advanced Settings, then set it for best performance. So for this, just go to your search and search for View Advanced System Settings. Just open this up. And from here, just go to Advanced tab. And under Performance, you're going to find Visual Effects, Processor Scheduling, Memory Usage, and Virtual Memory. Just click on Settings. From here, you have to go inside the Visual Effects and make sure to select Adjust for Best Performance from here. Then just click on Apply, click on OK. Then just click on OK. Then just go ahead and restart your computer and hopefully your Windows will be a lot faster. And basically, that is how to speed up your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.